Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to zinc plate bolts. Easy method. Start by thoroughly cleaning each bolt using degreaser and a wire brush to remove oil and rust. Set up a small electroplating bath with zinc anodes and a mild electrolyte, keeping polarities correct. Work in a ventilated area and wear gloves and eye protection. Rinse and dry plated bolts, then inspect thickness and adhesion before use. In this video, I will show how to zinc plate bolts. Easy method. Immediately scrub bolts clean, then soak in a degreasing solution to remove any residue. Use a brass brush or fine abrasive to expose shiny metal without damaging threads. Arrange bolts on racks or hooks to keep spacing even in the bath. Check that all connections are solid so current flows uniformly to every bolt during plating. In this video, I will show how to zinc plate bolts. Easy method. Quick recommendation. If you enjoy hands-on projects, try the Kindle Paperwhite for reading manuals and guides while coatings cure. It fits in a workshop drawer and saves your eyes from phone glare. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to zinc plate bolts. Easy method. Attach bolts to the cathode and position zinc anodes at equal spacing for an even coat. Apply low voltage and watch the formation of bright zinc over the metal surface, adjusting time for desired thickness. Stir the solution gently to prevent local depletion, and remove bolts periodically to inspect the finish. Finish with a water rinse and mild neutralizer before drying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.